3 years on, we are still as committed as ever in implementing our action plan. We have lots of our actions completed, and we're ready to complete the rest of them now going forward. We have, in the last 3 years, we've arrested for 5,000 offences under the new legislation alone. We've also seen a decrease of 4% in the recorded offences, the violence against women offences, in the last 12 months compared to the 12 previous months before, which shows that we're heading in the right direction. They can be any form of abuse, and that can be anything from psychological, sexual, physical abuse. So there is a full range out there. But what I would say is, if you are the victim of abuse, please tell police, no matter what form of abuse it is that you're suffering from. Nobody has to suffer. If you call us, we can help. The next steps are for perpetrators to understand that we are going to keep going with our action plan, that we will relentlessly pursue perpetrators, and that we will continue to create safer spaces for women and girls. What I would say is it's everywhere, and it's a real societal issue, and we all need to play our part in tackling this. So it's about everyone being vigilant, open to recognising the signs of abuse, encouraging people to report, and also calling it out. So if you see it happening, calling it out. And that's one of the reasons why our Part of Change campaign has actually reached so far. It's reached over 3 million people so far. And that's what it's all about, is about everybody recognising the signs of abuse, calling it out, and everyone playing their part to tackle it.